Hello, Namaste. So, welcome to the channel again. And today we will go to a new place of Nuapada district of Odisha, and that is Godhas. The place name is Godhas. It is also known as Godhara, and it is located in Nuapada district of Odisha. It's a beautiful picnic spot. I came here with my family for picnic and enjoyed a lot here. It's a beautiful place. You can enjoy the full stream of water, and you can see a very narrow stream. Yes, this is a very narrow stream, but just after the rainy season, if you come here, then you can get the full stream, and the water flow is much more than this. And just at the Godhas or Godhara, there is a very small temple of Shiv Bhagwan. We have not visited to that place because of some reason, because we have not taken bath at that time actually for that reason, and I was not able to shoot there. And you can visit this place with family while visiting Patura Dam also. I also visited Patura Dam, Tikhali Dam on the same day, which the video I'll upload later on. Okay, so please enjoy the video. Please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it, and please comment if you have anything to share with me. Thank you.